Alright, so welcome to another week of tech news, and today we're gonna cover a bunch of topics, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Samsung is bringing Quick Share to Windows 10 among other apps. This will allow consumers Samsung Galaxy devices to easily share videos, documents, music, and pictures with ease on Windows laptops. This is similar to Apple's file sync feature between their iPhones and Macs. Intel is to make Resizable Ball available on 11th Gen Rocket League processors. While Resizable Ball support has been around since last year when AMD announced it during the Where Gaming Begins on Episode 2 as Smart Access Memory, Nvidia is now following up and announcing it coming to their laptops and desktop graphic cards during CES 2021. They're also following up with an announcement that they will support the feature on their upcoming 11th Gen processors. If you're wondering when the RTX 3060 is releasing, well, Nvidia came out and confirming its release on 25th of February 2021, which is next week. But it seems as some retailers have already started selling them before it hits its release date. In addition, the prices for these cards have also spiked about 52 to 75% over the MSRP. Now, if you're enjoying the content so far, do consider liking the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. Now let's get back right to some good old tech news. While AMD Ryzen 5000 series mobile processors were announced using Zen 3 architecture, a press release suggests otherwise. It seems that while all H series processors will be using Zen 3, some of the U series will still be using Zen 2, such as the Ryzen 7 5700U, Ryzen 5 5500U, and Ryzen 3 5300U. It's not bad. Zen 3 was a massive jump in performance for AMD on mobile processors side of things. It just feels weird having the name of 5000 series while still being in Zen 2 architecture. In other news, Nvidia now requires OEMs to add TGPs and clock speeds of RTX 30 series laptops to product listings. This should help customers to grasp an understanding of which graphic cards the laptop they are planning to purchase will have. While PC gamers are struggling to get their hands on the latest graphic cards, Zotac USA made a tweet recently, promoting openly on GPU mining with multiple RTX 30 series cards. Most of the AAB partners are doing their best to meet the demands with the already constricted supply. Adding salt to the injury, they hashtagged PC Gaming. We are interested in knowing your thoughts on this mining situation, so do comment below. Now, if you're an old Xiaomi Redmi user looking for an upgrade, Xiaomi might be revealing their new Redmi Note 10 series on 10th of March. While not much is known about the specifications of it, it seems that they may release 4 versions of it, with 2 Redmi Note 10 being 4G and 5G variants, and 2 Redmi Note 10 Pro with 4G and 5G variants as well. Anyone who's tried to pick up a PS5 knows the difficulty of refreshing Best Buy's website hoping for the Add to Cart button to go yellow. Not only are production issues limiting stock, scalpers have been using bots to buy as many consoles as they can. It is certainly unfair for those who wanted to buy it for themselves. Moreover, it is reported that there's one bot called Velox, which is able to purchase a Supreme X Smurf skateboard in under 2.3 seconds. That's far faster than any human could manage and gives scalpers an extremely unfair advantage. Not only that, Velox is able to get around 3D Secure, an extra layer of security UK retailers are required to use. It verifies the buyer is the legitimate owner of the credit or debit card being used and can add extra seconds onto purchase time. Now, in my opinion, scalping poses quite a disadvantage to ordinary people, especially with the use of bots to further limit the stock. And while scalpers might think that they're acting as middlemen, as retailers do, retailers don't purchase all of a product in order to monopolize the market. And while it is frustrating to find out that stocks are sold out only to be sold by others at a much higher price, I do not recommend buying one from them, no matter how desperate, as doing so will only encourage the scalpers' behaviors. So that is all the news we have for this week. If you think we missed out on some news, do let us know in the comments down below. And if you're looking for content, why not check out on our How to Pick a Laptop in 2021 video right here. And as always, stay home, stay safe, and we will see you in the next one.